Dumpster Rental Service, Winter Garden, Florida. Do you have a big project and are looking for a reliable dumpster rental service in Winter Garden, Florida? Lady Waste Corp has you covered. From home renovations to business cleanouts, we make waste management simple and stress-free. At Lady Waste Corp, our mission is simple: to provide reliable, eco-friendly dumpster solutions with exceptional service. Whether you're a homeowner tackling a renovation or a business needing regular waste removal, Lady Waste Corp is here to help. We offer a wide range of dumpster sizes to fit any project, big or small. With Lady Waste Corp, you get fast delivery, easy pickup, and a commitment to sustainability. We carefully dispose of waste, prioritizing eco-friendly practices to keep Winter Garden beautiful. Lady Waste Corp makes the remodeling project so much easier. Their team is friendly, and the dumpster is delivered right on time. As a part of the Winter Garden community, Lady Waste Corp is here for all your waste management needs, offering quality service just a call away. Call Lady Waste Corp at 321-414-0014 today. Experience the best dumpster rental service in Winter Garden, Florida, and let us handle your waste needs easily. Lady Waste Corp, reliable service, delivered right to you.